Hello and welcome to the final video on graphing sine function. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and do this first example, graphing y equals -2 sine theta for 2 periods, and then there will be 2 examples that you can try on your own with the answers included. So looking at this example, here they tell you that to graph y equals -2 sine theta for 2 periods. So they give you an a value of -2, which this just means that your amplitude is going to be 2. Your maximum and minimum values will be at 2 and -2. We have sine theta, so I know that my graph is going to start at the origin, and it has a period of 2 pi. So again, I'll split this into 4 sections. I'm going to have a critical value here at pi, a critical value at pi over 2, and at 3 pi over 2. And the way this goes is we have a maximum first. So my maximum would normally be at 2. This point would be at +2. However, notice we have a negative value. This causes x-axis reflection. So what we have is a minimum first. So I'm going to go down instead of up. I'm going to go to -2. My next point will be an intercept, and then I will have a maximum. So here is one period of the graph y equals -2 sine theta. Okay, that is one period. Now, if I wanted to do another period, I can continue to go to the right, or I can also go the negative direction as well. So it's really up to you which direction you want to go. So I'll continue this way. I'm going to have a point here, point here, a point here, and a point here at 4 pi, right? So 4 sections. So okay, and there is the second period. Now I can also do this again. If you want to go the negative direction, it would just look like this. You'd have a maximum, an intercept, minimum, and then an intercept. So let's see if I can do this one better than the last one. Okay. So there is y equals -2 sine theta, and this is actually 3 periods. You only need to graph 2 of these. Okay, and it would look something like this. So I would like you guys to try this example. So pause the video here and attempt it on your own, and then I'll bring up the answer here in a second. Okay, so here is the solution for this example. You have a amplitude of 4, so notice, and it's positive, so we go up and then down. Okay, and this is what 2 periods would look like. Here is a second example. You have y equals 2 sine theta for 2 periods. So again, please pause the video and try this one on your own. And here is the solution. Okay, again in this video we graphed examples of sine theta where we had an amplitude, and we also talked about a negative a value which causes a x-axis reflection. Okay, hope you like the videos, and I hope you feel comfortable graphing sine functions.